Good morning to the entire Fort Reese's 5th School of First and Third Degrees.
We're pleased to announce that the year of 2017 to 2018 has finally ended. All had waited for such a moment, especially teachers, to rest because of the fucking work.
But through this year, there were students who worked hard to make our school go on high places while participating in competitions. 2 are from 7th grade.
I would like Henrikta to appear on the stage.
Sucky losers.
And same for Jenna Thompson.
We award Henrikta with Student of the Year.
And Jenna Thompson as Helping Hand.
God damn it. Jenna has won an award again. At least Anne did.
Oi, at least Anne won award honestly.
Blbost.
Crap. These 2 girls are on my freaking mind all the damn year. And their stupid classmates support them. I wish I could do something. Something extreme, something horrible. Now it's time for all of you to regret. How is the plutonium, Tom?
Good. In all the perfect condition.
Transport them to the second reactor. That guy is perfect helper. I can use him for my targets.
Ms. Pride Pelt. There's a serious meltdown. Explosion is imminent.
Holy fuck, you're left. Damn it. All has gone off the absolute damn control. All my hard work. All months of this power plant. Why 7th, 8th? Why do you hate me so much? Fine. If that's what you want, then that's what you'll get.